Turn these little green guys from meh to OMG with our hot honey Brussels sprouts recipe. Thanks for tuning in to the French Kiss Cook. We'll start by taking our Brussels sprouts, and if there's a little brown at the bottom, just trim it off, keeping the root intact for when you cut them all in half. In a large bowl, combine the liquid honey, chili flakes, crushed garlic, and olive oil. Whisk it all together until it's nice and emulsified. Add the prepared Brussels sprouts to the honey mixture, and then stir it all to coat evenly. Place the coated Brussels sprouts on your sheet pan and spread it around. Place it in your preheated oven until nice and crispy. Give it a quick toss, and then sprinkle it with some sea salt flakes. Place them on your serving plate, and then garnish with some goat cheese, sunflower seeds, or your favorite nuts. Thank you for watching. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.